Hello health champions. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic, supplements you should avoid taking before bed. While many supplements can enhance your health, some can interfere with your sleep. Stay tuned to find out which ones to avoid for a good night's rest. Importance of sleep and supplements. Before we get into the specific supplements, let's briefly discuss why sleep is so crucial and how supplements can impact it. Quality sleep is essential for physical health, mental well-being, and overall daily performance. However, certain supplements can disrupt sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Understanding which supplements to avoid at night can help you optimize both your health and sleep quality. Caffeine-containing supplements. First on our list are supplements that contain caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake and alert, which is great during the day but not so much at night. 1. Pre-workout supplements. Many pre-workout formulas contain caffeine to boost energy and performance. Taking them too close to bedtime can lead to restlessness and insomnia. 2. Green tea extract. Often found in weight loss and energy supplements, green tea extract contains caffeine. It's best to take these supplements earlier in the day. 3. Energy supplements. Any supplement designed to increase energy levels likely contains caffeine. Check the labels and time your intake accordingly. To ensure a restful night, avoid caffeine-containing supplements at least 6 hours before bed. B vitamins. Next, let's talk about B vitamins. While they are crucial for energy production and overall health, taking them before bed can interfere with your sleep. 1. Vitamin B12. Known for boosting energy and alertness, vitamin B12 is best taken in the morning. 2. Vitamin B6. Though it supports brain function and mood regulation, it can also increase dream activity, potentially disturbing your sleep. 3. B-complex supplements. These combine multiple B vitamins. To avoid sleep disruption, take them earlier in the day. Consider taking B vitamins with breakfast or lunch to leverage their energy-boosting benefits without affecting your sleep. Multivitamins and certain minerals. Multivitamins and some minerals can also impact your sleep when taken at the wrong time. 1. Multivitamins. They often contain energy-boosting B vitamins and minerals. Taking them in the morning can prevent potential sleep disturbances. 2. Iron. Iron supplements can sometimes cause gastrointestinal discomfort, which can make it hard to fall asleep. Take them earlier in the day with food. 3. Calcium and magnesium. While magnesium can promote relaxation, calcium can sometimes interfere with sleep if taken in high doses at night. It's best to consult your doctor about the timing and dosage of these supplements. For better sleep, try to take multivitamins and minerals that might cause discomfort or energy boosts earlier in the day. Fat burning and weight loss supplements. Fat burning and weight loss supplements are another category to watch out for before bedtime. 1. Thermogenics. These supplements increase your metabolism and body temperature, making it difficult to fall asleep. They often contain stimulants like caffeine or green tea extract. 2. CLA. Conjugated linoleic acid. While beneficial for weight loss, taking CLA at night can cause digestive issues for some people, disrupting sleep. 3. Garcinia cambogia. This supplement can also interfere with sleep, especially if it contains added stimulants. For the best results, take fat-burning and weight loss supplements in the morning or early afternoon. Herbal supplements. Even some herbal supplements can be problematic when taken before bed. 1. Ginseng. Known for its energy-boosting properties, ginseng can keep you awake if taken late in the day. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Used to improve cognitive function, it can have a stimulating effect, making it harder to fall asleep. 3. Ashwagandha. Though it's often used to combat stress, some people find it too stimulating if taken right before bed. It's best to take it earlier in the evening. Herbal supplements should be timed carefully to avoid interfering with your sleep cycle. Tips for better sleep with supplements. To wrap things up, here are some general tips for taking supplements while ensuring a good night's sleep. 1. Read labels carefully. Always check supplement labels for ingredients that might affect your sleep, such as caffeine or stimulants. 2. Consult your healthcare provider. Talk to your doctor about the best time to take your supplements, especially if you have any health conditions or take other medications. 3. Establish a routine. Take your supplements at the same time each day to create a consistent routine that supports both your health and sleep. 4. Monitor your sleep patterns. Keep track of how different supplements affect your sleep and adjust timing as needed. By following these tips, you can make sure your supplements support your overall health without compromising your sleep. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember, the timing of your supplements can make a big difference in their effectiveness and your sleep quality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.